Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video on how to scale your explosion boxes. So when you import the file to your design software, in this case it's Cricut Design Space, everything should be grouped together, so make sure everything is selected. And here's how you scale to any size you like. So whatever size you want your finished closed box to be, you multiply it by 3, and that's it. And the answer, you would type it in the dimension section. It doesn't matter where you place it, whether it's width or height, because it's a square. And everything would scale to size. Now I'll show you how it works. So I would like to make a finished box that is 3.5 inches and that it would fit on a 12 by 12 size cardstock. The first thing I do is make sure everything is selected, then multiply 3.5 by 3, which is 10.5 inches, and enter it. And you also want the lock here to be on. Now it's scaled up to the size I want. So now that you have the size that you want, you can go ahead and ungroup everything. When they're ungrouped, the next thing is to make your score lines. So in my files, I usually place my score lines above their respective shapes. And in this particular box, there are only 2 score lines to make. This one here for the center of the box, and this one for the cover. Now you attach the score lines to their shapes, and you must do this, otherwise Design Space won't recognize it as one thing that needs to score and cut. And now you're done. All you do is click on Make It and you're ready to cut. For the boxes that have separate pieces, you basically do the same thing. The only difference is that you would have to add a few more score lines for the size of the box, but the cover remains the same. And when you're done, you click on Make It and you're ready to cut. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. It means the world to me. Bye guys.